Hi everybody, my name is Tommy Cuevas, digital transformation expert here at Bamboom Cloud. And today I'm going to explain a little bit about what we do here, and I'm also going to give you a tour of one of our offices. Here at Bamboom Cloud, we specialize in Microsoft's cloud. That includes things like M365, Microsoft Dynamics, and Power Platform. What makes us different than every other Microsoft partner out there? Well, we have fixed prices with fixed outcomes. So you know exactly how much it's going to cost you to move over to Microsoft's cloud. Here we are on the first floor of our office, where we roll up our sleeves and get to work. So how do my coworkers and I do that? We use the power of M365, previously known as Office 365. M365 comes with all the applications you remember from Office 365, like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and then of course their cloud features, like OneDrive and SharePoint and Exchange Online. So we all know that the world can be a pretty scary place, from global pandemics to natural disasters. Well, M365 has you covered. Since Microsoft uses their secure cloud, you can access your information, your documents, your email, and all your communications anywhere that you have an internet connection. So it doesn't matter what happens out there. In here, you're secure. You need that important Excel document? Well, you can access it through your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet. It's right there. You need to communicate with a coworker right away. Well, with Microsoft Teams, you can do that. With Microsoft M365, you also have added security features like antivirus, zero-day threat assessments, and powerful reporting tools. You also have multi-factor authentication. So even if somebody figures out your password, they still can't gain access to your system. Welcome to our second floor, where we use Microsoft Dynamics for all of our business application needs. With Microsoft Dynamics, we're able to take care of so many facets of our business. This includes our sales, accounting, customer service, and even our field service as well. The nice thing about Microsoft Dynamics being underneath the Azure cloud is I know my sales software can communicate with my customer resource management software. My customer resource management software can communicate with my customer service software, and that software can communicate with my field service. And then on top of that, it can all tie into my accounting software seamlessly. We are finally on the top floor of our building, where we use Power Apps, Power BI, and Power Automate, also known as Power Platform. With Microsoft Power Apps, you can create powerful applications with low-code or no-code technology. This means you don't have to be a front-end or back-end developer or even a mobile developer to create powerful apps for your customers and employees to use. Maybe you bought a third-party application. It's not quite doing the thing that you need it to do. Well, with Power Apps, you can fill in those gaps. You have to move data from one place to another? Well, Power Automate can take care of that for you, even in external and internal databases. Maybe your marketing department's afraid of rogue tweets or posts getting out on social media. You can create an automated approval process for those tweets and posts. This way you don't have to worry about somebody going rogue. Now that you have all this information, what do you do with it? Well, Power BI has you covered. Power BI has the ability to grab data from multiple different platforms, not only from Microsoft's ecosphere, but external data sources as well. Want to find out how your company's actually making money or maybe spending too much money? Microsoft's Power BI can tell you. Want to know what's trending on your Twitter account? Power BI can pull that information as well. My name is Tommy Cuevas, digital transformation expert at Bamboom Cloud, and I'd like to thank you for taking this tour with me around our office to see how we use Microsoft's cloud and how we can help you use Microsoft's cloud.